When Ben Bogie, owner and general contractor at Last Design Build LLC, was hired to remodel a 1,300 square foot home into a residence that would allow its owner to age in place, he knew an emphasis on low maintenance technology and energy efficiency would be key. One of the many decisions that had to be made from an energy efficiency standpoint involved replacing the home's 60-gallon storage tank water heater. Having over 10 years of experience with tankless water heaters, Bogie immediately identified the Noritz EZTR75 tankless water heating package as the preferred solution. The tankless system fires on demand to provide hot water only when needed, which can provide a substantial energy savings. And while replacing a storage tank water heater with a tankless model has traditionally brought installation challenges, the EZTR75 serves as a direct replacement option for 60 and 75-gallon storage tank water heaters, because of its top-mounted water connections and multiple venting options, which reduce installation costs. In this case, the install was completed in under 3 hours, due in large part to the simple venting and top-mounted water connections. The installer estimates a traditional tankless bottom-mounted setup would have roughly doubled his install time and cost an additional $300 to $400. Since the installation, the unit has been tested and forecasted to earn the homeowner significant energy savings once she moves in, helping to create a truly sustainable environment for the long-term future, perfect for someone planning to spend the rest of their life there.